Welcome to Choice Champions. The best wood building kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can give to your child, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, problem solving, and hands-on fun that grows with them, making it an ideal choice for fostering essential skills and providing hours of imaginative play, all while they construct and learn. Number 5. Poraxy 5-in-1 STEM Model Car Kits. Unleash creativity with our 5-in-1 STEM kit. It includes everything needed to build your own engineering toys, blending fun with real engineering challenges. These unique building kits are designed to reinforce basic STEM principles. They offer both educational value and endless entertainment for curious minds. Assembling these models cultivates hand-eye coordination and intellectual development. It's a foundational learning tool that sparks interest and curiosity. Looking for a cool gift? These toys can be painted and decorated, making them unique crafts. They are ideal for birthdays or any special occasion. Crafted from high-quality, laser-cut wood, each piece fits smoothly for easy assembly. Enjoy screen-free time while learning and creating. Discover the joy of hands-on projects with these engaging STEM kits. They provide an exciting way for kids to learn and build. What we like. This kit offers 5 different model cars to build, providing a diverse engineering experience. It's designed to enhance STEM knowledge and develop practical abilities. If you're looking for a kit that offers variety and encourages hands-on learning with the option for creative customization, this is a great choice. What people say. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The finished product is sturdy and well-made, and it looks great on display. My child spent hours building this kit and was very proud of the result. Number 4. Poraxy 4-in-1 STEM Kits. Unleash your child's imagination with 4 exciting building projects. They can construct a Ferris wheel, carousel, fiber optic lamp, and starry night light, offering hours of engaging, hands-on STEM fun. Crafted with high-quality, laser-cut wooden pieces, these kits ensure smooth assembly for young builders. The finished models are perfect for displaying with pride, making it a rewarding experience. The fun doesn't stop after building. These projects are ready for paint and decoration, allowing every child to create a unique masterpiece. Once completed, they become fantastic room decor. Watch their room transform with enchanting color-changing LED lights. The star light and fiber optic lamp create a magical wonderland, perfect for bedtime or playtime. Assembling these models develops critical thinking, fine motor skills, and patience. It's a fun way to learn about mechanics and problem solving, fostering a real sense of accomplishment. Ideal for birthdays or any occasion, these kits make a wonderful gift for children aged 6 to 13. It's an educational and entertaining present that sparks creativity and a love for learning. What we like. This set brings the magic of an amusement park to life with 4 unique models, including enchanting light-up features. It's perfect for sparking creativity and creating a magical atmosphere. If your child loves interactive elements and the idea of creating their own decorative pieces with colorful lights, this kit will be a hit. What people say. My 10-year-old enjoyed putting these together. My kiddo loves these STEM projects. We have purchased multiple from this brand and have been very pleased with quality and sale price. He loves all the different challenges, skills and movement of them all. Good learning toy to get them off the games and tablet. Number 3. SparkJump Candy Dispenser Woodworking Kit. Introducing the SparkJump Candy Dispenser Woodworking Kit. It's a complete STEM building kit designed for kids, made with FSC-certified wood, paints, and tools. This DIY gumball machine craft is perfect for boys and girls aged 6 and up. This crafting adventure is designed to forge unforgettable family memories. Assemble this kit together and watch your bond grow stronger with every sweet moment you create. Our wooden building kit offers a perfect blend of STEM education and creative fun. It encourages hands-on learning and is ideal for a wide range of ages, making it a great way to explore science and technology. Say goodbye to screens and hello to real conversations and laughter. This project sparks genuine connection while you build something wonderful together, creating lasting memories. This woodworking kit is more than just a craft, it's a catalyst for fun. It ignites creativity, sparks conversations, and adds a dash of DIY delight to your family time. Whether for a birthday or just because, this kit is the secret ingredient for heartwarming moments. Get ready to craft, connect, and have limitless fun like never before. What we like. This kit is all about creating shared experiences and fostering connections through a fun woodworking project. It uses FSC-certified wood and provides a wonderful screen-free activity for families. If you're seeking an engaging way to spend quality time with your children and build something together, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. They come with enough pieces to make all the things displayed on the box. This is a good entry-level STEM kit project. Great starter set to get your child interested in building and getting their STEM juices flowing. Number 2. Yutin STEM Wood Building Projects. Introducing the Yutin STEM Kits, a collection of 6 exciting wood building projects designed for curious minds aged 8 to 12. These kits offer a fun and engaging way to explore the world of science and engineering. Inside, you'll find everything needed to construct a 4-wheel drive, a tank, a wind-powered vehicle, an off-road vehicle, a solar helicopter, and a biplane. It's a complete set of building toys for hours of interactive fun. Assembling these kits is more than just play, it's a learning experience. Children will grasp the mechanics of different vehicles, understand how motors work, and explore the fascinating principles of energy conversion. These 3D puzzles are designed to boost basic STEM knowledge, improve practical skills, and spark imagination. They stimulate interest and curiosity, making learning an enjoyable adventure. Packaged in a beautiful color box, these kits make a unique and memorable gift for children aged 8 to 14. They are sure to be a hit the moment they are unwrapped. Crafted from non-toxic plywood with smooth surfaces and rounded corners, these toys are built for safety. Your child can enjoy building with peace of mind, knowing these kits are designed with their well-being in mind. What we like. With 6 distinct vehicle models, this kit offers a comprehensive introduction to mechanics and energy conversion. It's made from durable, safe plywood and is designed to be a fun learning experience. If you want a kit that provides multiple building challenges and helps children understand how different vehicles work, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The wood is smooth and the pieces fit together well. It was a fun and engaging project for my child, and they were proud of the finished product. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for an 8-year-old. Number 1. Yutin 5 Individual STEM Science Kits. Discover a world of creativity with our 5-in-1 STEM kits, inspired by the magic of amusement parks and childhood memories. These kits offer a delightful blend of art and science for endless fun. Engage young minds with these exciting STEM projects, perfect for ages 8 to 12. As they build, children will explore how motors work and enhance their understanding of basic STEM principles. Looking for a special gift? These DIY wooden building toys come beautifully packaged and can even be customized with paint. They make a wonderful present or a unique decoration for any space. Putting these models together is a breeze. Simply pop out the pieces, follow the clear instructions, and use the included screws to build your own amazing creations. Everything is clearly marked for hassle-free assembly. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic plywood, these 3D wooden puzzles are designed with safety in mind. Enjoy smooth surfaces and rounded corners for a safe and enjoyable building experience. These kits are designed to spark curiosity and encourage hands-on learning. They provide a fantastic opportunity for children to develop problem-solving skills while having a blast. What we like. This collection features 5 individual STEM kits with an amusement park theme, offering a delightful building experience. The pieces are easy to assemble and clearly marked, making it accessible for young builders. If you appreciate a variety of themed projects that are straightforward to put together and provide a sense of accomplishment, this set is ideal. What people say. It took her about 30 to 45 minutes to put each one together. These are actually pretty durable and have very friendly design and instructions. I love that it came with 5 different ones so that the kids had plenty of options. Highly recommended. Very clear instructions plus extra assembly parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.